I've been keeping a big secret. Today I'm going to tell you all about the Not Too Shabby Autumn Greetings Virtual Craft Retreat, tell you how you can attend for free, and how you can add on the exclusive retreat kit, which I got to help design some of the products for. Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. One thing you may or may not know about me is fall is my favorite season, not only to live through, but also to craft for. So I was super excited when Jamie from Not Too Shabby invited me to be a part of the Autumn Greetings Virtual Craft Retreat. And even more excited when I got to help design some of the fall-themed crafty goodies. This is a 2-day event that takes place on Friday, September 18th and Saturday, September 19th. This retreat will be hosted live by Lynn of LV Handcrafted, and while the class portions are pre-recorded, she will be live on both of those days with some fun games, prizes, and to just hang out with you in the chatterbox. Today, I'm going to give you an overview of the event, and then I'm going to be back this Saturday, July 11th at 10 a.m. Central for a little live stream crafting session with Q&A. So if after watching today's video you have any questions about the event, make sure to leave those in that comment section below, and I will try to get them answered live on Saturday. Now, if you don't see this video before then, I will also be taking questions from live viewers. My plan is to show you how my products can be used in different ways, and then I'm going to create a quick and easy card with some of the other retreat kit goodies. You can set a reminder to join me by checking out the linked video in the description box below, and I'll also put it as an end card at the end of this video. Not only will I be crafting, but there will be prizes, so I know that you won't want to miss out. Day 1 of this virtual craft retreat is free to all registrants. Yes, you heard that right. Anybody can attend. There will be 4 awesome classes hosted by Julie, Lala, Vaughn, and Leslie. To get your free tickets, down in the description box below toward the top, I have lots of great links for you, and it will be the first one that says register for the event. Day 2 of the event is going to have 4 exclusive classes. This is a paid add-on, and there will be a class from Jamie of Not Too Shabby, Christy Marcotte, me, Call Me Crafty Al, and Lynn of LV Handcrafted. If you do register for day 1, you can craft along with your stash, just finding similar products to what we use. There is also an option to add on the day 2 class only, and again, you would use items from your stash that are similar. When I show you the retreat kit later, you'll kind of know what you want to pull together for the event. Now, if you would like to craft along with us using the same products we do, you can add on the exclusive retreat kit, which gets you access to the day 2 classes as well. It is full of fall-themed goodies, including those that I got to help design. Now, with all of this talk about the retreat kit, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Up first is a Golden Harvest paper pack. This is 24 double-sided sheets of pattern paper that includes 12 different total designs. It includes some great colorful fall patterns as well as some nice neutrals to go with it, and I just love how some of the papers have that pop of turquoise. Let me know in the comment section below which pieces have caught your eye. Next in the kit is a 4x6 Christie's Everyday Greetings stamp set. It contains many of Christy Marcotte's favorite sentiments to use when making cards, and this is going to be one that you can use all year round. To make it super easy to add some cute and colorful images to your creations, you get the Harvest Critters Ephemera Pack, which contains many adorable little critters as well as some coordinating fall-themed accessories. This package of Golden Harvest enamel dots will add some sparkle and shine to your creations. I just love Jamie's glitter enamel dots. And last but not least is the trio of products that I helped design. My Harvest Leaves bundle comes with a 4x6 clear stamp set that features 6 leaf images as well as some little accessory splatter stamps. There is also a coordinating die set to cut out each of the leaves from the stamp set, as well as a stencil that will help you color in the stamped images or the die cuts. And this Saturday, I will be showing you more about that. I hope you enjoyed getting to look at all of the products in the exclusive retreat kit. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know which of the items you're most looking forward to down in the comment section below. And no worries, you do not have to pick any of the ones I designed. I would like to know your honest answer. If you are interested in adding on the retreat kit and day 2, you will want to think about placing your order by July 20th so you get the early bird deal. This will get you a mystery bonus item shipped with your kit in the fall, and you'll be entered to win a $100 gift voucher to the Not Too Shabby online store. And whether you want to join us for the free classes on day 1, if you want to add on just the classes for day 2, or go for the whole shebang with the retreat kit, you can check out my links in the description box below. Some of those are affiliate links, which means I make a small portion of the sale at no extra cost to you. By using those links, that lets Jamie know that you found out all about this event from me, Call Me Crafty Al. Also down in that description box is a link to my virtual supply list for this event. If you have joined me for any recent Advent series, this will be kind of familiar to you. At the top, you will have some important graphics and links for the event, and then as I get my class ready, you will be able to shop what I am using. Now don't forget, if I left you with any questions about the event, leave those down in the comment section below, and then I'll see you back here this Saturday to get those answered and get crafty with some of these awesome fall goodies. Until then, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.